Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful admin panel in Python. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So we see the beautiful admin dashboard panel. In Python, it's the sidebar, we toggle functionality, great, and the few icons and the content sections, the chart, image carousel slider, and beautiful table and footer as well. And also friends, I must say it's fully responsive as well. And guys, I must say a few things. If you will have any kind of query, sessional requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog. Please contact us page. You will find my email ID, WhatsApp number, and my Upwork code as well. Guys, also for the freelancer, you can hire me for your work as well. Now back to dashboard and see the code. Okay, here's my Python folder, static, script and JS, script and CSS, and templates, admin, HTML. See, and works well. Is the main Python file app.py. That's it. And also, like always, I will share the code snippet link as well, friends. So don't worry about the code. And after it, I will come with more Python demos as well. And if you want any particular choice, then you can ask in the video so I can do this as well. So friends, I must say a few things in the last. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.